Hello, Williams, Philippines. It's about 5:30 p.m. on Thursday, November 14th, 2024. It's been a very different day. The cats went out yesterday. I haven't heard back if he made it home in one piece yet, but pretty sure he did. He's a safe driver. A lot safer than I am. So I'm going to try to get in touch with him here in a bit. But yeah, that was yesterday. Today I went out and checked with the financial people and had them going over my finances. And basically they said, well, you're pretty much following what we would tell you to do, which is a good thing, other than the fact that I'm not waiting until I'm 65 or 67 or 70 to give them time to work with it, and that I don't have enough to make it to their bottom line. They want 100,000. I ain't got that much. I'm a poor boy from a poor family kind of thing. But that's okay. I've got a little bit to work with, and I'm working with it. And he said, with what I'm doing right. So, yay. Gave me a few different things to look at for, a bit more stable than some of the ones I'm looking at. I'm looking a little more aggressive than what he is. He's trying to preserve and build. Me, I'm just worried about, preserving and building, but a little more aggressively. So, but that's a whole nother issue. And yeah, we was talking, and that's a good thing. But also in the process, my nephew came into town from California, so was in town today. He'll be here another week or so, a little over a week. So, gonna try to plan a little bit more time with him. But today went out and got to talk to them, him and my aunts and cousins, and went and had lunch and did some thrift store shopping, secondhand stores, Goodwill and the blind store. Actually, a couple of Goodwills and a couple of blind stores. We went around after having a good meal, and yeah. So I had the fajita combo, chicken and beef. Oh, I'm full. And then went out and walked around after it, so that was actually probably a good thing. Even though I was ready to fall asleep, and I'm still ready to fall asleep. I'm surprised I'm talking here right now. Because quite honestly, I happen to know when I lay down, I probably ain't going to wake up before noon or midnight. Oh, man. Noon, in the middle of the night. Yeah. That's a hazard of my shift. Oy. I don't know about y'all, but it's been a long one. It's been a good one, though. And I got to spend time with family. And I got a little t-shirt for my grandniece. And it says, Sweet Buns and Guns. Told her daddy if he raised her right, she liked this shirt. He looked at it and said, yeah. So, yeah. She's a good kid. I think she's 5. Yeah. Growing up fast, too. Anyway, it's a bit big, and she can wear it as a night shirt until she grows into it to wear it as a regular shirt. Or she wears it out. Her choice. So, yeah. Oh. Don't know if I'll get to see her again. But my nephew was in town, and my niece is supposed to come in, I think, Saturday after getting some of her classes finals done, tests or something today and tomorrow. So she'll be in Friday night, late Saturday morning. So yay. Try to go visit with her a little bit too. And I get to carry a few more things over to them to let them have a shot at them too. Boy, I got a full belly and I'm very sleepy, considering that it's 5:30 p.m. I got the hiccups. I got through eating over an hour ago, and I've had the hiccups on and off since. Actually, almost 2 hours ago since I got through eating. Yeah. 2.5 actually. So yeah. It's a good thing. Anyway, was checking on my little Wise card, and I ended up having one of my auto exchange things go off, and yeah, it hit 59 pesos, and I had an auto convert go through. So for $20 go to it, take the fees out at 59.0605. So $20 in, and I got 1,174 pesos. 0.12 centavos, I guess. So yeah, I keep putting it in there and letting it grow. A little bit here, a little bit there. So yeah, trying to get everything I can in the way of a positive. I figure 59 is a good place to buy it at. If it does go back down, yay. If it doesn't, well, I'll get some at a higher price again. Nothing else. I'll have a card that I can use when I get over there that has some peso on it. So, yay. More options. All I know is I am very much wiped out. Gonna call this, because quite honestly, if I don't go to bed, I'm probably going to end up falling asleep sitting here in this chair, and I can tell you, sleeping in this chair is not comfortable. It wasn't meant to be. This chair is not one of those ones that you want to fall asleep in. I know a few of those. I've had quite a few of those. This ain't one of them. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever. So I don't want to fall asleep in it. It does nasty things to your back. Or my back. I don't know, it might be a comfortable one for you to sleep in, but it's not on my list of acceptable. Anyway, I'm William from Williams, Philippines. To my friends and families, thank you, and I enjoyed getting to visit with all of you. It's been a very busy 48 hours, and I really enjoyed it. I'm going to try to have another busy 48 hours also. Get to visit with my niece and my nephew and such again. Maybe Saturday or Sunday. Probably Sunday. We'll see. Yeah. Anyway, enjoyed getting to visit with them, and I've enjoyed getting to talk to you folks out there in YouTube world. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I've got 210 subscribers right now. Anyway, I'm Williams Philippines, and hey, I'm Fish. Fish is out.